Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Before we say advanced, but I have changed to multi because this is the multi-school management system in Laravel 11. Last video we discussed about authentication, means middleware authentication. Suppose you are login, so we need to provide a specific roles. This is the roles inside. He can work like this we are doing in last video. In this video we can cover remove all the extra item, like here we need to put like school, here we can leave it on the dashboard. We can create some other menu like school inside. You can see like create schools, create and list. Like this menu we can create inside schools. Also we can do it like some other parts in this video. I can show you step by step what we can do. Before we can start, you are new in this channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website rfsolutioncode.com. You can buy it. And here is already there school management system in Laravel. This is the single and we are working on multi. Okay, so let's start now. So simply you need to open resources, views, inside backend. Inside you can go to layouts and just open header.blade.php. First we need to remove for the search because we don't want to use anytime search. So simply we can remove this search. So here there search, just copy, means select and remove and save it and just go back again, refresh the page. So search is removed. Here we can leave it for the notification and we can leave it. I think we don't want to need here for this icon, but just we can use for this notification for this one. So just remove for this first icon. So simply you can go scroll down, not scroll down here, there, just copy. This is the message, this is the task. So only we need to remove the task. Just copy, means select and remove, not copy. Once you can remove, just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it removed. Now we need another icon as a bell, like a notification. So let's copy above all things and put here. Okay, let's save these files and we can go back and check. Just refresh the page. So you can see another icon is available. So we need to change for this icon to bell. So we know this is the notifications. Let me go and check it's working, not working. Okay, let's go back again. We have changed to FFF bells. I hope like this icon is available, so it's working. Suppose not available, so not working. So 100% available, it's working. You can see it here, bell icon. Here I changed to bell. Now you can see it here, notification. Once we can make dynamic, after we can change. Simply comments, I mean notification and message done. And here is already we have shot out log out in last video. Here we can add another icon as a language. So what do you want to change language, multi-language? So you can do it, but we can do it later for the change language. Okay. Now we need to work sidebar because header part is done. Now we need to work in sidebar. Simply you can go to sidebar.blade.php. Here there is for the images, we can remove these images and we can use later new images. And here you can change to schools to Altana to school for the logos. So we know what we can do. And here you can short out like a URL panel dashboard slash dashboard. Just copy the spelling so I can do it very quick. Just save these files and just go back again, so you can see it here like schools. So we did not did here, so where we did navigation bars, Jones. I think this is the logo, not like this. Let me check. This is the images. Okay, it is a different. Let's confirm. Okay, dashboard school. And why is not working? Let's control F5. Okay, let me confirm why is not working. Okay, this is the image you can using these reasons. Let's remove it, so not works. I think X logo we don't need anymore, so school can works. And we need to make background color something else. Let me do it proper way. Now we need to remove the X logo So simply we need to use this background color. So just you can do it like background. Here you can make reds and just copy for this icon wise like this color code. Okay, now we don't want to use this class, so just remove this class and you can see it here. Okay, so just go back and you can remove this icon, we don't want to need, means class, and put like this, and just go back and refresh the page here. So you can see it's school name, so it's working very well, so we have no issue. Now we need to make center, and we also need to make font size bigger. So font size we can do it like a 16, 19, 20, and text align center, and font weight also bold. I know here we can put logo later, but right now just you can do it like this way. Later we can put here logo as a dynamic. So just we need to sort out like proper way. This reason I am doing for this works. Okay, so this two icon we can leave it, we don't want to remove. Here we don't need, this is the one, I think leave it. So you know senior position, which position we can put it here, name, so leave it. Dashboard we can leave it. Navigation we don't need. Component we don't need, so look like there, we just need to remove. Just you can remove the navigation. Direct dashboard, here we can provide a dashboard our URL. Panel slash dashboard, I think we can do it. Already did where I did here, yes, panel dashboard. So simply you can copy and paste here. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see dashboard going to up. Now other part we don't need anything, just you can remove, and you can leave it only one, simply drop down. I think layout we can leave it, other thing we can remove. So I don't want to need pages, I can remove immediately. Layout I can leave it because I need to add something else here. Just remove all other things, later we need, so we can add here. Just I can remove. Here I can change layout to school, because I told you we need to start to create new school, list school. This reason I will type here school. Okay, and refresh the page, so you can see it's school, and here you can see lots of menu, but we need only one menu. Just you can remove all thing. I know we need a multiple menu, but I just, you can use like a one, add, and here I can do it list. Whatever menu we can type, we can do it, means whatever name do you need, so you can type it. Don't worry, I can sort out in later which menu is better for him. I can do it. I know it look like not professional, so I can use like different way, but right now just you can do it like this. Otherwise you can copy for this one, and here you can put like school. Here do it like school list, and inside we can sort out like a add icon. Why we needed school? Because school inside lots of process available. These reasons I did only like this way. Let's make it one menu right now, school, and here we can make panel school. Okay, and leave it this one because future we need to use like drop down, so we can use it directly. So we can make it again layouts, and here I can make like a lists. Okay, future we can use, so we can do it. And here you can make like a school, so users right now you can use, otherwise we can change the icon in later. I hope you can understand what I say. Now you can see dashboards and schools and layout, because future we need to use these reasons. Now we need to remove for this one. I don't want to show like this, just you can make like a school, and here you can do it like dashboards. We need to provide a dynamic our icons, means name, not icon, name. Just go to app.blade.php and you can remove it here, and here you can type very simply way URL, no sorry, not URL, is not empty. Here you can do it like a meta title, and you can make condition wise works, and last place you can type school. Okay, after we can make this name dynamic, but right now just you can type school, and here you can provide full URL suppose available, so can be seat. Here you can see it favicon icon, so it's not file, let's see is work not work, otherwise we can find and put it here. So simply Okay, icon not there, but I can find out good icon and I can put here URL. So let's remove right now. We don't want to do like this way. Okay, now we need to go to app, http controller and backend inside dashboard. We have already put here meta title, but I have made a condition. This reason you can't see it error. So simply you can copy this variable and here you can go and you can type data meta title. Inside you can do it your name, whatever name do you want to show inside header. Just I can type dashboards and I can pass for this data here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page so you can see it here. You can see dashboard school and I can find icon good and we can put it here. So don't worry, because I need to make dynamic, this reason I leave it. So we need to create a setting, and setting inside you can upload logo. For this logo, like logout inside logo there, this logo we can sort out coming soon, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you can see it, everything's cleaning done, and let's sort out this one. I don't think do you need, so do you need, so you can use it, but I don't want to need, so I just remove for this one. Where is the code for this one? So I can remove. Okay, after do you need, so you can leave it. So app inside I can search for these codes availables. Here is not available, so where is the code? Inside headers, sidebar also code not available. Header inside is availables, header inside also code not available. Dashboard inside 100% is not available because I know, and message inside not available. Okay, so this code is available inside scripting. When scripting means app.blade.php, inside you can see it, action, I think plugin, inside is code available. So right now we can't remove, but I can find out and I can tell you where do you want to remove. Otherwise I can find now. So going to big video, I don't want to wasting time for the big videos. Okay, otherwise don't like people to watch the videos, these reasons. So you can see it, we did here proper way and here also we did proper way, and I don't think anything is missing for the cleaning time. Here is the cleaning, here is cleaning, also logouts, and here we need to make an active class. Now suppose you are go to dashboard, so we know okay you are in dashboard. So let's check in our themes how it's show in active class. Just open your index.php files, any file you can open, whatever do you want to likes, so we can use it, how we can make it active class. You can see it, here is the active class. Just spec element and you can see it inside coding, how you can do it in active class. So simply sometime taking time because there are lots of map there, these reasons, otherwise not taking times. Let me check inside code because spec element taking times, so better we can go to code and we can check it. So just you can see desktop and here you can see class active. Just copy this name, go to app headers, and here we are there our, sorry not sidebar, sorry about that, go to sidebar and here you can put active and refresh the page. So let's see is there or not there. So you can see active work, but it's not, no need to work like this way. We can check the URL inside dashboard there, so we need to make active. So what we can do, we need to use a request segment. So we need to get this segment. What is the segment there? So search in Google, otherwise I know better way how to do request segment, request get segment in Laravel. Let me search in Google so I can do it very well, and you can see it how we can do it using this search engine wise. So here there request segment, just copy this name and you can go back again and let's put here. Just save the file and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it here like panel, because the segment we have type here 1, so you can see it here is panel. You can see, suppose I can type 2, so you can get it here dashboard. Let's save these files, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here dashboard. So simply we need to make condition for the dashboard y. So just you can copy and here you can type, I make shortcut condition because I don't want to make if condition, is equal to dashboard, so we can show active, otherwise we don't want to show active. So just we can make simple break condition. You can see it. Okay. So let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it is an automatic active class showing. So means it is working very well in dashboard. Later we can create a new page about school. So you can see it, this is the active class removed and going to school. I can show you in next video. In this video I have a cover for the headers, sidebars and cleaning all an active class. And next video we can 100% start school listing and adding and deletes. I hope you can enjoy what I explained. Suppose do you have any question, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.